Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore the latest lineup of New Holland tractors in 2025. These machines have always been known for their strong performance, smart technology, and farmer-friendly features. And this year, New Holland has taken things even further. Let's start with one of the most talked about models this year, the New Holland 5620 Texas Plus. This tractor comes with a powerful 65 HP engine, 3-cylinder engine configuration, and high torque backup. The hydraulics have been improved to handle heavy-duty implements, and its fuel efficiency makes it a smart choice for both small and large farms. It's especially good for plowing, rotavator work, and heavy haulage. Next up is the New Holland 3630 Texas Super Plus, a premium tractor in the 50 to 55 HP range. It's known for its durability and performance. With features like power steering, oil-immersed brakes, and advanced hydraulics, this model is perfect for farmers who want power and comfort together. In 2025, this model now includes a redesigned dashboard and better seating for longer working hours. Another highlight is the New Holland Excel 4710 4WD, which offers around 47 HP and is packed with features such as double clutch, high lifting capacity, and constant mesh transmission. It is ideal for operations in all types of soil and terrains, especially in regions that require high traction. The new model also has improved fuel injection timing that boosts efficiency. For farmers looking for something compact yet powerful, the New Holland 3230 NX is a great choice. It's a 42 HP tractor suitable for orchards, small farms, and inter-row cultivation. This tractor now supports additional smart attachments, making it more versatile for different tasks around the farm. New Holland has also made a major push towards sustainable and smart agriculture in 2025. Many of the new tractors come with factory-fitted telematics, allowing you to monitor fuel usage, engine performance, and maintenance schedules via a mobile app. This helps reduce downtime and saves money in the long run. On the safety and comfort front, New Holland tractors now feature more ergonomic seating, better vibration control, and LED headlights for nighttime operations. These upgrades reflect the company's focus on operator well-being and productivity. Another important thing to mention is New Holland's after-sales support. With a wide dealer network across India and fast availability of spare parts, customers are well supported no matter where they are farming. Also, EMI and loan options have become easier in 2025, especially through tie-ups with rural banks and cooperatives. So whether you're a small farmer or managing a large agricultural operation, New Holland has something in 2025 that fits your needs and your budget. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more tractor updates, comparisons, and honest reviews. See you in the next video.